Good morning, dear children and dear parents. Welcome to the class. Let's start the class, children. We were doing which chapter? Patterns, right? So before starting with your chapter, we will recap the previous class. In our previous class, what we did? Patterns in numbers and pattern in letters, isn't it? And also you got numbers and letters together. When you get numbers and letters together, children, in that case what you will do? You will observe the numbers separately and letters separately to complete the pattern. Clear? So your chapter is almost finished. Today we will do the drill part of your chapter. Children, practice at home. Okay? So now take out your book. Let's start, children. Take out page 19 of your book. Now you see, write here today's date. EVS fun. Living things such as flowers, birds and animals also have different patterns. For example, orchids, peacock feathers and so on. Do you agree this? Yes, you can see here peacock feathers, right? So living things also have different patterns. Next comes, children, English fun. Complete the following patterns using the letters. Now you see, first two letters are what? P and R, right? So what you have observed here, that one letter is missing in between P and R, that is PQR, right? It means you have to complete this pattern by skipping one letter. P, Q you will not write, R is written here, right? Then S you will not write, you will write T. U you will not write, you will write V. W you will not write, you will write X. Clear? Next you see Z, Y, X. So here what you are going to do, children? You are going to start writing from right side. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Clear? You just need to observe the pattern. Next comes patterns using shapes. In this question, children, you just have to identify the basic shapes or group of basic shapes in each of the following pattern. First one you see, all are square, right? But what is the difference? Difference of two colors. That means two colors are repeating. So you just draw which two colors are repeating. You just draw the boundary there. Clear? Similarly, you are going to do B, C, D, E. Understood, children? In this question, what you are going to do? You are going to identify the basic shapes or the group of shapes which are repeating. Okay? And you are going to draw a line there. Clear? Let's move to next page number 20, drill time. This is also different patterns. Complete the patterns given below. First one you can see the curve arrows, right? But what is the difference? One is upward, the other is downward, right? The last one is downward. So next one will be upwards. Understood? Number B, you can see that here in every corners the shape is same, right? But what is the difference, children? In every corner the circles are given, right? So these small circles are given in every corners. So you are going to draw again the first shape, that is with top circle. Understood? See, here are triangles, but what is the difference? Stars are drawn in different sides, right? One is bottom, other is side, then bottom side. So next will be bottom. Clear, children? Number D is you can see this is your hexagon, right? But what is the difference, children? You can see that on top there is one line and bottom sides there are two lines. And the next one is just inverse of it. Top two sides there are two lines and bottom there is one line. So this is how you are going to complete the pattern. Clear? The last one you can see here stars. Stars are same, right? But what is the difference? You can see that in every corner there is a dot, right? So it is in every corner, bottom, side, top, and again the right side. So again, what you are going to do, children, you are going to start with again bottom dot. Clear? Is this clear, children? So patterns chapter is finished, and it is very easy and very fun to do. You will enjoy doing if you understand once. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.